You do not have to be an advanced collector to watch this channel. In fact, I challenge everybody watching this right now. Are you really an advanced collector? Do you really know what's in your PEZ collection? Do you? No. Do you? Off the top of your head. Come on. 2.6, Hong Kong, Mickey Mouse, removable nose, IMC7. Show me. That's what I'm talking about. Sorry to be so nerdy about PEZ, but I want everybody to know everything that I know. And the problem here is, I'm a foolish man. I'm an idiot. I don't know anything about PEZ. And that is why I continually learn. So if you have a question, it doesn't matter how low level, high level, mid level, what level you are on. It doesn't matter what level I am on. We all need to be on the same playing field. And that is what the PEZ book is about. So, let's do the intro now. 1 minute into it. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. Whoa. I'm concerned. What was that? Any and everything after the beep. Now then, the question was, I have this weird PEZ dispenser with 6 black holes in the top, and I can stick it to my refrigerator. What is this PEZ dispenser? This PEZ dispenser is incomplete. So until... Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, there we go. See these little cars? You pull them back. And then they go. Come back here. Right. Okay, it's back. Sorry about that. Oh, wow, it went so fast. Screwed up my camera. All right. On the bottom, you will see this little... Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. On the bottom, you will see this little piece here that when I get too close to it, the magnet sticks to it because there's a magnet built into the car. Don't swallow it, kids. Also, that little magnet matches up with this. That one comes off a little easier. That magnet there. See the two. That's how they match up there. And then we take our dispenser here. And there they match up. So it's actually a tire that the car sets on. And now it's complete. This is the car you were looking for. But yeah, it's a multi-use toy sold to sell candy. Now remember, kids, PEZ sells candy, not plastic toys. PEZ is a candy company which purchases plastic toys to sell their product. And their product goes in the plastic toys. Remember that. Let's keep learning. So until next time...